I'm Peter Antonopoulos. Today we're talking about what is business succession planning. One of the most common questions our firm receives from estate planning clients is how to transfer ownership and control of the family business to family members of the next generation. Many successful businesses, both large and small, were started as family businesses, and they can tend to be run by family members. However, as many baby boomers who started these businesses approach the age of retirement, creating a business succession plan and how these plans affect individual estate plans is becoming more important. With over 20 years of experience working on business succession planning cases for high net worth individuals, business succession estate planning is one of the most important areas that Antonopoulos and Associates assist our clients with. As such, our attorneys have the knowledge and expertise to help guide your family in creating an individualized business succession plan that fits your family's goals and objectives. This allows your business succession plan to serve the interests of all stakeholders in your family business while protecting your family's financial and future interests. I'm often asked, why are business succession plans important? Currently, 50% of the United States gross domestic product comes from family-run or family-controlled businesses. Furthermore, nearly 60% of American jobs are because of family-run businesses. Thus, not only is the business succession plan key to securing your family's financial security, it's also critical for securing the security of your employees and other stakeholders in the business. Proper business succession planning has many variations that depend on the size and sector in which a business is located. Knowing these, understanding these, and having a grasp on how to address issues that confront businesses is critically important. For example, a small business with only a few employees that already are familiar with your person and your past in your business requires little work to achieve a successful transition. However, if you operate a larger business with hundreds of employees, or the person you are passing the business has not previously worked at your company, this process is much more complicated and much more time consuming. The issues are more complex, and getting a good result is much more difficult to achieve. Whatever your situation may be, it's essential to begin to conduct a successful transition when you're approaching retirement age. How do we successfully transition control? Transition process from one owner to the next is vital to the continued success of the company. Oftentimes, the value of the company is based upon this. However, many businesses neglect to take proper steps necessary to successfully transition the business to the second generation of owners. There are a few important discussions to have and factors to consider before transitioning a business to the next generation. These include the balancing of financial returns, the creation of a proper management team, and a dispute resolution process, as well as a variety of tax issues surrounding the transition of control and ownership. Furthermore, helping the new owner create relationships and gain respect for managers is key to a smooth transition. This can include having meetings where the collective vision of the company is identified. Furthermore, specific goals and objectives for the future are set, and business stakeholders are invited to participate in discussing the future direction of the company. After this initial step, you should establish the government process for both succession and subsequent management teams. With any business move, you must put the plan into writing. Another simple but necessary thing to do is to identify if all owners will have an active or non-active role in the company moving forward. Finally, you must also communicate this to the necessary stakeholders. If possible, you should also create a buy-sell agreement and purchase agreement to include life insurance for the new owners. In certain cases, you may revise or update your business structure. For more information on business succession planning, contact Antonopoulos & Associates at 202-803-5676 or on the web at www.antonlegal.com.